Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to analyze website data in Looker Studio. Step by step, beginner friendly, and updated for 2026. If you want to understand how people use your website instead of just looking at raw numbers, this guide will make things much clearer. First, open Looker Studio in your browser and sign in with your Google account. From the home screen, click Create, then choose Report. This opens a blank report where we'll analyze website data. Now connect your website data, click Add Data, and select Google Analytics. Choose your GA4 property and click Add to Report. Once connected, Looker Studio automatically prepares your website metrics. Start with an overview. Add scorecards for users, sessions, engaged sessions, and conversions. These metrics give you a quick snapshot of how your website is performing. So yeah, always place them at the top. Next, analyze traffic trends. Add a line chart with date as the dimension and users or sessions as the metric. This helps you see traffic growth, drops, or unusual spikes over time. Now break traffic down by source. Add a bar chart and use default channel group or source as the dimension. This shows where your visitors are coming from, like organic search, paid ads, or social media. To understand user behavior, add a table with page title or page path as the dimension, and metrics like views, users, and engagement time. This tells you which pages perform best and which ones need improvement. Make your report interactive by adding a date range control and filter controls. This lets you change time periods or focus on specific traffic sources without editing the report. Clean up the layout by aligning charts, adding clear titles, and keeping spacing consistent. A clean layout makes insights easier to understand. Before sharing, click View to preview the report. When everything looks right, click Share and give view access to your team or clients. And that's how to analyze website data in Looker Studio in 2026. Clear, actionable, and beginner friendly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.